students. Our today's topic is linear equation in two variables. And one more thing, pair of linear equation. It means our equation will come in pair. It means two equation will come. If clear? So firstly we will understand the meaning of this topic. Okay. So pair means two equation will come. Okay. Linear means what? In class 9 also you studied when the any variable power is degree is 1. That's called linear equation. So we can say degree is 1. Equation means equal sign. And two variable means we have come maybe x or y, maybe any other variables also. It comes x and y. So first we talk about the general form of this equation. Okay. And you also studied in the class 8 the linear equation in one variable. Remember in class 8. So now in two variables and the pair also. So let's study about the general form. General form. What is general form? Actually it is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. But the topic is pair. So we will say a1x, b1y and c1 equal to 0. For second equation it will come a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. This is called general form of the pair of linear equation in the two variables, where two are the x and y. The next is we will discuss about what are these a, b and c. So what is the a1? What is a1? Coefficient of x. Coefficient of x. What is b1? Coefficient of y. Similarly, c1 is constant term. So what is a1? Similarly, a2 is also same like that one. Similarly, e2 is also same and c2 is also same. Is it clear or not? Yes. Now we'll talk about the how to solve these linear equations. Okay, we have three methods to solve this one. We have three methods to solve this one. The first method is known as substitution method. What is substitution method? Okay, understand this? The first method is known as substitution method. Substitution method. Second method is known as elimination method. Elimination method. We talk about properly also. And third one is known as cross multiply method. Cross multiply method. The first one, talk about first one, substitution. What is the meaning of substitution? Anybody can tell me? Exchanging. Okay. You want to become? Subtract. Sana. Subtract.
Replace.
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 No. Substitution means we have to substitute. First we take the any value from one equation. Take for example, we find the one value of the equation first. From the x, maybe y equals to 7. Okay. Second equation is 2x plus y equal to 3. This type equation will come in our question, and we have to solve by the substitution, elimination, and cross multiply. But firstly, we will talk about the substitution method. Understanding now? So what we will do in this method? First we will take this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. We will start from equation first, by equation first. Write the equation again. So x plus y is equals to 7. Find any value, maybe x, maybe y. But better to find the value which have no coefficient. We have only one coefficient is 1 only. It is better to easily. If both are coefficient is there, then we can find anyone. Understand now? So here we can find anyone actually. Both are no coefficient. So for example, I am finding the x. So what will come? 7 minus y. And this value will put into the equation number second. This is called substitution. Take any value and put in the next equation. It is called substitution. To put this value, put in equation 2. What is equation 2? This one. So 2x plus y is equals to 3. Where x now? We have to put the value. So 2x is 7 minus y. So 7 minus y plus y is equal to 3. Understanding? Now 2 into 7 what? 14. Minus as it is 2 into y, 2y plus y as it is equal to 3. And minus 2y plus y what? Tell that. Y or minus y? Minus y. So 14 minus y is equals to 3. But we have to find the value of y. So plus 14 send that side. So it will come minus y is equal to 3 minus 14. What will come 3 minus 14? Minus 11. So minus y will become minus 11 and y is equals to 11. Understand? So one answer came. Okay. Now we have two equations actually, and put this value in any equation, we will find the value of x also. Are you understanding the method or not? First test.
Yes, sir.
Pakka? Are you understanding? Let's take that. Simple question, simple method. This is called substitution method. Now we will put this value, what I got, into the equation number 1 or 21. Now your choice only, anyone. Better to use it simple. Put in that equation, it is simple. So first one is simple now. Put in that equation. Put y in equation first. Equation first is what? X plus y equal to 7. So x plus y what? 11 equal to 7. So x equals to 7 minus 11, that is equals to minus 4. So we got the value of x also. This is called substitution method. Are you understanding all? Okay. Thank you.